Hello everybody, see you guys again. Last time I showed you when I unboxed the printer, a product printer, but I haven't installed yet. Now today I will install, so let you see how this works. They have the instruction here, show you how to do it. The number one, we have to remove let me turn machine back so it is right here. First we have to put this here. Destroy the, so I remove the tab. Now one, they have the handle two sides here, so you can pull it out. You pull both hand on one side and one side and just pull out. Next is you pull the paper, the piece of paper here. So the orange tab out. And next, move this tray out. Now, this tray for the toner. Yeah, I have to cut the toner. Let me see. You don't need a scissor, they have this thing for you to peel. So the tray right here, that's the tray there. The toner, they have the yellow, the orange seal here. You have to remove this. And next, we have to put on the tray. That's it. Now next, next we place it in the printer. You can do one hand if you usually do it, but if you first time to do, you should put two hands, one here, and then push a little slowly in, so you will experience how's that. Next, I'll close this one. And now the step number two, load paper in the paper tray. Step number two, load paper. Here, this is tray here. So right here. Next, yeah, they have the adjuster, table adjuster, paper adjuster on the side here. You have to press this and you pull both hands, both sides, and you bring. That's for a small letter. It's for a big paper. Now, blow paper in. Now done. So close. Done. Step number 3. Connect the power cord. Turn on machine. Now turn on machine right here. Oh no, not this one. This is a ring power button here. And next step, configuration using the CD and CD-ROM, or configuration without using the CD-ROM. I have to use this one because my laptop there are no CD drive. Just give me okay. Give me 1 second. I go to grab my laptop.